Hello, children. Welcome back to the English 1 session. As you all know, in the previous session, we began the lesson The Rain. I have explained the lesson. Today, just we are going to see the review of the lesson and then deal with the reading session. Okay, children. The Rain lesson is about Gopal, a farmer. Okay, there are five main characters in this story, that is Gopal, his wife, two children, and the money lender Murugan. Okay, this Gopal, he was a farmer. He had a wife and two children. He lived in a tiny village near Madurai. This Gopal, he had a well on his land. But in that well, there was no water because there was no rain for a long time. Okay, so this Gopal, every day he looked at the sky in hope of rain. But there was no clouds, there were no clouds at all. Instead, the sun looked down at Gopal and laughed. So one day, this Gopal decided to borrow money from Murugan. But this Murugan denied to lend money to Murugan because there was no rain, and because there was no rain, crops were not growing, and that is why he did not lend money to Gopal. Okay, then when he did not lend money to Gopal, Gopal went home and he looked into the box which was kept under the bed. In that box, Gopal found only 60 rupees, and he told his wife that we can eat for some more days. But after that, what are they going to do? They've carried on for a few days, and after few days, when he opened the box again, he saw that there were only 4 rupees left in the box, and now all were hungry at home. So this Gopal went to his wife and told his wife that there are only 4 rupees left. So now his wife was worried. Then she asked him what to do. Gopal said, if no money, then no food. Suddenly, when they were speaking to each other, Gopal's wife touched her earrings. And she asked Gopal, what about these? Gopal said, I have given those on our wedding day. So Gopal had presented the earrings to his wife on their wedding day. So Gopal's wife said, we can sell them and get money. So she removed the earrings and she gave it to Gopal. She was very sad. She did not want to sell. Even Gopal was very sad. Okay, they did not want to sell the earrings, but they did not have any other option. Okay, so Gopal started walking towards the town to sell the earrings. But in between, he stopped there. The rain came pouring down. Because it started raining, Gopal stopped there and started shouting, rain, rain, rain. Now Gopal was very happy. Might be he returned home and he did not sell the earrings. Okay, that is not mentioned in the lesson. But maybe because now it was raining, he can grow the crops and get the money. Okay, children, this was about the lesson, the rain. Okay, now all will open your textbooks to page number 87. and keep your finger in the book and repeat after me. Okay. Lesson number 11, The Rain. Gopal was a farmer. Underline farmer. He had a wife and 2 children. Underline wife and children. He lived in a tiny village near Madurai. Underline tiny village and Madurai. Gopal had a well on his land, but there was no water in it. Every day Gopal looked at the sky. Underline every day and look. There were no clouds. Underline clouds. The hot sun looked down at Gopal on The hot sun looked down on Gopal and laughed. Underline laugh. Gopal went to Murugan. Please lend me 50 rupees, he said. Underline rupees. I can't, replied Murugan. Underline replied. There's no rain. No rain means no ragi in the fields. Underline fields. When the rains come, you can have the money. Underline money. Gopal went home and looked in the little box under the bed. We have 60 rupees, he said to his wife. We can eat for a few more days. Then what shall we do? Every day Gopal looked at the sky. The sun laughed down at him. There were no clouds. Everyone was hungry. Underline hungry. After a few days, Gopal looked in the box again. 4 rupees. We only have 4 rupees for food, he said to his wife. And then said his wife. And then no food, said Gopal. They looked very sad. Suddenly Gopal's wife touched her earrings. Underline suddenly, touched and earrings. What about these? She asked. I gave you those on our wedding day, said Gopal. Underline wedding. Gopal's wife took off her earrings. A tear dropped from her eye. Underline tear and dropped. Sell them, she said. We need food. Gopal was very sad. But he took the earrings and walked off towards the town. Underline walked towards and town. Suddenly he stopped. Rain, rain, he shouted. Underline stopped and shouted. The rain came pouring down. Underline pouring. Gopal was very happy. Underline happy. Okay, children, this is all about the lesson. Today you are going to read the lesson and write these new words 3 times each for your homework. Is it clear, children? Okay, this is all for today. We are going to stop here and continue in the next session. Thank you, children.